But anyways, yeah. So let's see, where was we at? We was talking about this moving forward. Fuck it. Seeds, we already talked about that. I already said that we're gonna have our new top 10 genetics consultations coming up. That'll probably be Sunday's video. Cause you know how I am on Sundays. Sundays is my pre-Monday. It's my Monday Eve. So Money Monday, we gonna be Money Sunday this week. You see what I'm saying? Y'all already know to go check out the main cultivation channel. It's over there doing big boy status. It done hit 1,400 subs. Done past this channel. Hey, like I said, the good thing about networking is when I go to my friend's house and then they're like, "Oh, you actually coming through kicking it?" Hell yeah, I came through to kick it. Wow, what you got? He said, "Here, take 1,000 subs." Bit, really? Well, here, take $25 in. Hell, you got it. Hell, you know what I'm saying? They said the easiest way to get what you want is to get what you want. Don't be in the way, just make it happen. You see what I'm saying? Hey, we got that in 2 times. Spider Pig and the Cultivation channel. For those who don't want to make your numbers, well, don't make your numbers. Hell, that's up to you. I can get views. Hell, I'm not gonna sit here and worry about when I'm gonna have this 1,000 subscribers, because then what happened last time? Well, I had my 4,000 watch hours and then get monetized when the iron was hot for me to strike, and then I waited till they were gonna tell me no, because that's how that happens. When you procrastinate, that actually gives more time for shit to happen negatively. Okay, punctuation, as they say, punctual, being on time to things usually gets you the better results. Shouts out to Batman because he'll teach you about prep time. Shouts out to Spider Pig because he had a Batman video. Hey, it's easy for me to tie myself back into myself. Let me go get this. Matter of fact, we might just go out here. Let me grab my pitcher. Okay. I need to cut this broccoli down out of this botanium while I got these cutters in here. Yank. That broccoli dried up on me too a couple weeks ago. That's why I said I know shit been dead. But hell, I like to watch things die. What'd he say? Did I kill you? No, not yet. Okay, I'll be back. I will be back. We're gonna finish that job. Oh shit! I forgot what I was even doing in the first place. I'm supposed to be cutting the roots out of this so I can clean the itch balls. Oh, this little root's got a second little leg in here. You see what I'm saying? Second little leg. We gonna get you though. Ain't no telling Plant Master Fred no, right? Y'all heard of Funk Master Flex? Is Plant Master Fred. We might have that slap coming out soon. Like I said, donate to the stickers and the slap funding over on the Buy Me a Coffee. It's right there in the wish list section. Wish list section, because I wish you would. Now, if y'all were paying attention earlier, for anybody who's in here, this is where I said I needed to check my water, because however the water looked, I know what my problem was, right? Right. See, here's the first one. Right? The problem was is it had already eaten up most of its nutrients. That brown stuff in the bottom is leftover soil from when I did something. And y'all know I be doing stuff, so that's why I know what that is. Then you come over here, right? Here's what killed this one. A lot of algae, so that means I do need to start back putting a little bit of that hydrogen peroxide in there, and then its water looks clear as fuck also. So they ate up the cow mag quickly, apparently, and then there was nothing but water, and it starved itself. So that's why them plants